Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to remove Facebook login from other devices. Your Facebook account may stay signed in on devices you've used in the past, such as old phones, tablets, or shared computers. If you want to improve your account security, you can remotely log out of those devices from your Facebook account settings. Follow these steps to remove your Facebook login from other devices. To begin, open the Facebook app or visit the Facebook website and sign in. Tap your profile picture or the menu button. Scroll down and open Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings, then go to Account Center if available. Then tap or open Facebook and Security. Tap where you're logged in. Tap your Facebook account. Review the list of devices and locations where your Facebook account is signed in. Tap the device you want to remove. Select Log Out to sign out from that specific device. Repeat the process for any other devices you no longer use or recognize. If you want to sign out everywhere, tap Select Devices to log out. Choose the Log Out of all sessions or select all option if it is available. Then tap Log Out. Confirm your choice when prompted by Facebook. Change your Facebook password if you noticed any unfamiliar login activity for added security. Turn on two-factor authentication and password insecurity to help protect your account from unauthorized access in the future. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.